Lemon peels, the golden treasure hiding in plain sight. While most people toss them away, these vibrant yellow skins are bursting with culinary potential and nutritional power. What if I told you that you've been missing out on the zest of life, quite literally? Today, we're diving deep into the underestimated world of lemon peels, revealing how this often discarded kitchen scrap can boost your health, and from elevating sweet desserts to transforming savory dishes, lemon peels can take your cooking to an entirely new level. It's the secret ingredient professional chefs swear by, and today you're about to find out why. Get ready to unlock the zestier, healthier side of your kitchen, one peel at a time. Before we continue, drop a comment and tell us, have you ever used lemon peel in your cooking before? And where in the world are you watching this from? We love hearing from our global foodie family. Let's start with the basics. What exactly makes lemon peels so special? Understanding the secret power of lemon peels. Lemon peels are the outer layer of the lemon fruit, rich in essential oils, antioxidants, and powerful compounds like limonene, pectin, and flavonoids. These bioactive compounds not only enhance flavor, but also offer numerous health benefits, including anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and digestive supporting properties. Surprisingly, lemon peels contain more vitamins and nutrients than the juice itself. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video. Number 1. Zesting for sweet and savory dishes. Let's start with the most common and easiest way to use lemon peel, zesting. With just a grater or microplane, you can transform the outer layer of a lemon into a flavor-packed garnish. In desserts, lemon zest works wonders. Stir it into cake batters, muffins, or cookie dough to give your treats a citrusy brightness. Mix it with sugar to create a lemon sugar for dusting pastries or rimming cocktail glasses. In savory dishes, lemon zest shines just as bright. Add it to marinades, pasta sauces, and salad dressings. Even a small amount can lighten up creamy dishes like risottos or mashed potatoes. One chef's trick? Combine lemon zest with minced garlic, salt, and herbs to create a quick seasoning mix for roasted vegetables or grilled meats. Pro tip: zest lemons before juicing them. It's much easier to handle and store the zest in a sealed container in your freezer for later use. Number 2. Infusing oils for flavor and health. Want to turn your everyday olive oil into something gourmet? Lemon peels can do just that. To make lemon-infused oil, gently heat olive oil and add thin strips of lemon peel. Let it steep until the oil takes on the lemon's aroma, then strain and bottle. Drizzle this on roasted vegetables, grilled chicken, or even pasta. It adds a rich, citrusy depth that's hard to resist. Lemon peel also makes an excellent infusion for vinegar. Add strips to a bottle of white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar and let it sit for a few days. The result? A sharp, tangy vinegar with layers of flavor, perfect for salad dressings or marinades. The beauty of infusing is that it preserves the flavor of the lemon peel and allows you to enjoy it in meals that might otherwise be too delicate for zest or pulp. Number 3. Homemade seasonings and spice blends. Lemon peel can be dried and ground into a powder, a versatile ingredient that adds brightness to spice mixes and dry rubs. Here's how. Peel lemons in long strips and dry them using a dehydrator or low oven. Once they're brittle, grind them in a spice grinder or blender. Store in an airtight jar and use this lemon peel powder to brighten up salt for a lemon salt blend. Mix with pepper and garlic for a citrusy dry rub. It's like adding a little lemony burst wherever you need it, without the moisture of fresh zest. Number 4. Lemon peel in beverages. You can even take your drinks to the next level with lemon peel. Toss a strip into hot tea for a zesty aroma, or steep it with herbs like mint and ginger. You can also make lemon peel syrup by simmering peels with water and sugar. Great for cocktails, lemonade, or sparkling water. And if you're into detox waters, adding lemon peel not only enhances the taste but also provides small amounts of bioactive compounds that support digestion and hydration. Want to kick your next smoothie up a notch? Add a tiny bit of grated lemon peel to give it a natural zing. Number 5. Sweet and savory preserves. If you love trying unique recipes, lemon peel preserves should be on your list. Candied lemon peels are a classic treat, boiled in sugar syrup and then dried and rolled in sugar. They're perfect for decorating desserts, snacking, or gifting during the holidays. Plus, they give you all the aroma and citrus punch in a sweet, chewy form. On the savory side, preserved lemons, a staple in Moroccan cuisine, are made by fermenting lemon peels with salt and juice. Over time, the peels become tender, tangy, and deeply flavorful. Chop them into tagines, couscous, or grain bowls for a unique twist. The fermented peel adds umami richness and complexity that fresh lemons simply can't match. Number 6. Enhance broths and soups. Toss a strip of lemon peel into simmering broths, soups, or stews. It adds a subtle citrus note that balances richness and deepens flavor. It pairs beautifully with chicken broth, lentil soup, tomato-based sauces. Just remember to remove the peel before serving, much like you would with bay leaves. Number 7. Flavorful lemon peel tea. Steeping lemon peels in hot water creates more than just a soothing, aromatic beverage. It brews a cup full of wellness. Lemon peel tea is naturally rich in compounds like D-limonene, vitamin C, and pectin, which are known to support digestive health and reduce inflammation. Studies suggest that D-limonene may help relieve symptoms of indigestion and acid reflux by neutralizing stomach acid and promoting healthy gut function. The high fiber content in the peel can also aid in reducing bloating and improving regularity. Drinking this tea after meals can stimulate liver enzymes and support the body's natural detoxification processes. For an extra health boost and flavor twist, add a few slices of fresh ginger, a spoonful of raw honey, or a few mint leaves. Number 8. Marinate like a pro. Lemon peel is a game changer in marinades. Whether you're preparing fish, chicken, or tofu, a few strips of lemon peel can help tenderize the protein and boost flavor. Combine with garlic, olive oil, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme. Let it sit for at least an hour. The result? A vibrant, zesty flavor profile that will impress even the pickiest eaters. Have you ever tried marinating meat with lemon peels before? If not, you're missing out on one of the best-kept secrets in flavor enhancement. Number 9. Pickling with lemon peels. If you love tangy fermented foods, try adding lemon peels to your homemade pickles, or even fermenting the peels themselves. Fermented lemon peels add brightness to savory dishes, a punch of probiotics, a beautiful citrus aroma to curries and tagines. Preserved lemon peel is a staple in Moroccan cooking. Now it's your turn to bring this bold flavor to your kitchen. Number 10. Lemon butter and compound butters. Lemon butter is easy to make by blending softened butter with lemon zest and your favorite herbs. This flavorful mix can be spread on fresh bread, melted over vegetables, or added to fish for a bright citrus touch. For a sweet twist, try mixing in some honey and use it on pancakes or waffles. It's simple to prepare, stores well, and adds a gourmet flavor to everyday meals. Now we wrap up our discussion here. Lemon peels are far more than kitchen scraps. They're a flavorful, healthy addition to countless recipes. From refreshing teas to rich compound butters, they offer simple ways to elevate your cooking. With just a little creativity, you can turn this often overlooked ingredient into a star in your kitchen. If you found these ideas helpful, be sure to like the video and share it with other food enthusiasts. We would love to hear how you use lemon peels in your own recipes, so drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Aneya Healthy Living for more health-focused cooking tips and inspiration. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.